Data engineers often have to perform the same tasks repeatedly. To make their lives easier, Kabula has released a new feature to support the creation of workflows for common recurring tasks. We call them use case templates, and they are a set of pre-configured components, including out-of-the-box extractors and transformation models. Let's take a look at how they work. After logging into our Kabula account, there will be a menu option called Use Cases, which is where we will go to get started. By clicking into it, we can see a list of the available templates to choose from. For our purposes, let's pick a simple example, the Google Analytics flow optimized for a corresponding Spot app in ThoughtSpot. This will allow us to create a quick end-to-end analytics setup. After clicking on the use case template that we want to use, we will see a detailed description of the components involved, as well as any special instructions that need to be followed. From here, we're going to click on Use this template and give it a name before moving to the next step to finalize our configurations. Now, a new template has been created and populated with the necessary components. We can edit them to pull in our data, or even customize the template further to make it better match a specific use case. The editor shows us which of the components in the flow still need to be configured. We will first authorize Google Analytics as our data source, and then select the accounts and profiles that we would like to extract. With that complete, we can move on to setting up a data destination. In this case, to keep things easy, we will choose a Snowflake warehouse that is provisioned and managed by Kabula, although it is also possible to connect into our own warehouse if necessary. In the last step, we can learn more about the ThoughtSpot Spot app and, if needed, sign up for a free trial. With that, we are ready to save the template, which will create a flow. As is shown here, a default schedule has been provided, which we can turn on. If needed, we can adjust the timing and frequency at a later date. Now we are ready to run our flow. While it's running, let's set up our connection in ThoughtSpot with the credentials provided by Kabula. To do that, we will navigate to the Spot Apps library inside of ThoughtSpot and select Google Analytics. Under Analytics blocks, we can click Configure to give the connection a name and enter the credentials from Kabula. I will go ahead and do that quickly right now. As the flow finishes inside of Kabula, ThoughtSpot will detect the tables that are available in the Snowflake warehouse that we set up. In order to provide a seamless experience, Kabula has ensured that both the tables and columns from the use case template map exactly to ThoughtSpot's TML, which means that within minutes we will have fully explorable dashboards on top of our end-to-end analytics pipeline.